Special guest Mike Cetnar from Con Form, all the way from Las Vegas.
That's right.
Las Vegas, Nevada, to show us the
pipe wear sensor. Now, everybody pumps a little different. The pipe, you know, is going to react different in everybody's market. If you've got natural sand, you know, manufactured sand, everything's going to change. But we want this to break, or the sensor to go off, between 50 to 70% of the boom life. So basically, this is an early warning system, not telling you, hey, it's time. Because by the time, if it's at 50%, you know you got to monitor a little bit if it breaks. If it's at 70%, you know, you still got to take it apart and measure it. But this is going to say, hey, it's time to pay attention to my boom kit. After we've done wearing this out and we wear this metal ring out, once it wears through it, it'll set off the sensor. It'll flash a slow green pulse when it's in good shape. There's a little LED light on here. If it breaks, it'll flash red really fast. And I pulled this out of the gasket itself because we designed this intentionally with this little ridge here. This ridge, when we install it, we want on the pipe, on the boom, so that it helps keep on this edge. It helps keep it in place.
So what we've done is we've put the hole in the clamp so that we can do that. And don't take your regular clamp and go drilling holes through it, right?
Yeah, I mean, these clamps are forged and they're strong.
Yeah. But it's like a standard metric clamp, unless your manufacturer says so.
Yeah,
which they probably won't. Right?
I mean, if you're going to order this, you're getting everything. It comes with the sensor, the clamp, the gasket.
Okay, well, pipe's off.
Right.
So we're going to take our gasket here. We're going to make sure that the side that is centering, which was this side here. So we want to peel the gasket back a bit, right, Mike, to make sure that it's centered properly.
Put it on the elbow and then we'll peel it back.
So it's got that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this side doesn't? That side doesn't have anything.
This side's flat.
Okay.
You know, so we can get the pipe in place. Now, it's going to be, it's going to be, there we go.
Okay.
We have the gasket for the other side.
Okay.
Can someone replace this?
What's the torque on these, Mike? Tighten them till the clamp has touch, basically, on those ones? Okay. So that being said, I think we go right about...
Right there?
Yeah, I would say. We couple zip ties there. We put our indicator here.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to have to take it apart.
Okay. And we'll go like that, all right? Yeah, I'd say right there is good. See what we see now with what we had to do to position this to get it to work? In this particular situation, I think having that boot at a right angle would be a mistake. Because like you said, Mike, the terminals, it has to go on a specific way. They're two different terminals, and if we're committed to one direction with a 90-degree boot, I think more often than not, it's going to help us, or hurt us rather than help us, right? Okay.
A little plastic tab there.
Little plastic tab. Oh, I see it right there.
Just pull that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we didn't break anything, and it's connected because we got a slow flashing green light.
Very slow right now.
Slow. It flashed once.
Now it stopped flashing.
Oh no, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. Well, I'm eager to get it out there in the field and see how it works for us. So I think it's a great idea. I think we've all been in the situation where we've just been doing a routine pipe check and pulled a pipe that maybe we haven't looked at for a while and gone, holy crap. Yeah. And I guess the idea with having these is to avoid the holy crap situation. Okay, so we're anticipating this to be a high wear area. And when we get down to between 60 and 70%, this should start flashing a fast red. And we'll keep you posted. We better start pumping some more concrete with this thing.